Welcome to the Credit Memo tutorial. A credit memo is a credit for a specific service or group of services that is used to reduce the balance owed on an invoice. To begin, click on the Create Credit Memo option in your customer menu. This will bring you to the Credit Memo Location search screen, where you can search for the account to which you would like to add the credit memo. You can use the account number, name, address, or any of the other search criteria usually found on the Location search screen. Once you have selected the account, you will be brought to the Credit Memo screen. The first option addresses whether you would like to create a tax-only credit memo. A tax-only credit memo would be used to cancel out the tax on a service order that was mistakenly charged to a tax-exempt client. Simply enter the total and specify a tax code. A credit memo will be created for the amount of tax charged. If you are not creating a tax-only credit memo, you will have to specify the service for which the credit is being issued. You may also notice that while there is no schedule information associated with a credit memo, a credit reason field has been added. Credit reasons can be added, edited, or deleted in your credit reason lookup table. If your company is using PestPack to track technicians' production or commissions, entering a technician code on a credit memo will reduce the credit that the technician will receive for this service. Once you have finished entering all of the information, click the Post button at the top of the screen. After the credit memo is posted, you'll be brought to the Credit Application screen. You can apply a credit memo the same way you would a normal payment, by dividing the credit being issued among multiple invoices, applying it all to one invoice, or leaving the credit memo unapplied so that it can be used at a later date. You can also create a credit memo using PestPack's Quick Credit Memo feature. Select View-Void Invoice in your customer menu. This will bring you to an invoice search screen. If you do not have an exact invoice number, you can search for the invoice you want to create a credit memo for using the customer's account number, contact information, or the name of the technician who performed the service. Once you've located the invoice, click the Credit button at the top of the screen. You will be prompted to enter a date and credit reason. A credit memo will be instantly created and applied to this invoice, removing the remaining balance from the customer's account. To run a report of credit memos that have been created, select All Reports from the Reports menu and then click on the Credit Memo Reason Report link listed under Business Management. The function of this report is to search for and display only credit memos. You can see the credit date, account it was created for, invoice number, the reason the credit was issued, what service it was issued for, and the subtotal, tax, and total amount being credited. This concludes the Credit Memo tutorial. Thank you.